You guys know how I am about my toilets. I like those babies loose, but I hate when I see a bolt like that. Look how long that thing is. You know that bolt's doing something. Almost fooled me. Almost. Maybe they dragged the body down these stairs. There's no way to know. All right, toilet number 2. Short bolts. I can almost guarantee this baby moves. Psych! Look at that. Just like we like it. All right, toilet number 3. This is the last one, guys. Let's take a look. Where's the lights? All right, toilet number 3 in the world's tiniest half bathroom. This is probably actually a quarter bathroom. But, let's see, short bolts. Oh yeah, that is the stuff. That actually hits the spot. And it's got a urinal. You know what? That's actually a sink. That's on me. That's on me. Don't pee in that. But this, look at this ergonomic door pull. You like that? And you're like, oh, that's stupid. Is it? Is it stupid or is it genius? Look, you're trying to pull that. Oh, you can't do it. But look at this. What? What? Look at how good that works. What? And you guys act like I don't ever show you anything, dude.